Hey guys, this is Kim Wilson, and hey, I'm trading the 6Z this morning. I just want to record and show you guys my trade. I just entered here, and we're going to go ahead and take this trade and see how it goes. I like to trade the 6E early morning, 5:20 open till about 8:30 my time, West Coast time. So I just find that time frame seems to be a lot of action. I've seen it move around as late as 9 a.m. Excuse me, West Coast time. So we've got our dome set for 10 contracts. We've got a 6, 2, and 2 with 3 targets set up. And we're looking to let 6 targets off on the first, followed by 2, and followed by 2. Looking for 4 ticks on the first, 6 ticks on the second, and a 0 setting on the third. That if we get some running, it will go ahead and travel on down. So we shall go along here and see how this trade goes, and see if we can have a profitable trade right out of the gate. So we're just going to watch and see what the market does, and we'll watch this trade cook, and we'll go from there. I know I've said this before, and there we go. We've got in. We finally got filled. So we're in. We're looking for a short trade here. I know I've said in other videos about our trading system and the ability to trade these other markets. I just can't tell you guys enough about the option of just opening up these other markets that you can go and trade. The futures are quite interesting, and in fact, and I'm just centering my dome here, and I'm going to make an adjustment here. I just realized that I had my stop loss set at 12. I want to bring it down and set it at 8. So I apologize. I was using this dome for another instrument that I was trading, and I didn't reset my stop loss parameters, but it's an 8 tick stop loss is what I use in the 6E. But anyway, there's just so many different instruments in futures that we can trade, and the ETS system just gives us tools to go ahead and trade those things. So anyway, we're watching this trade. We're 3 ticks in the money. It's looking to touch our profit here. It's flashing. See if we're going to get filled. Okay, there we go. We got our first. We're at break even. See if we're going to get filled. And if we break even, we'll be looking at what our next trade would be. So we'll see if we can get filled here. There's a lot of contracts going off, so our chances of getting filled are pretty good. So let's see what happens. And there we go. We've got one set off, and let's see if we can get these other 2. They maybe trail down a little bit. So we got 6 off. Now we've got 4 that are just waiting to see if they make profit. It's trying to get filled. It's coming down and touching. Just letting it cook, let it do its thing. And sometimes we just sit here, market will slow up a little bit, and we just wait. We, we do that waiting game. Um, this is a nice way to wait. The standpoint that we've gotten filled, we got some contracts off, so we're in the money at this point. We're just waiting to see if we can make profit on our other contracts. So that's a good position to be in. I've been noticing on the NASDAQ that there's been some nice trades on the NASDAQ. I know we had several that were not winners yesterday, but there were some winning trades. But overall, the NASDAQ is doing really, really well. So I'm happy to see a lot of other guys that are trading the advanced techniques and the new power pullback trading that NASDAQ. So that's really cool. And possibly next week, after the holiday, I'll pull up another chart. We can trade another instrument and let you guys take a look at something else that I trade. Be a crude or gold or something. We'll take a look and see. Just depends. I kind of, I trade multiple markets. I just look at how things are moving, and I'll make a decision. I'm going to trade that day, or I'll just watch it on the side that day. I've got a setup where I can bring up probably 6 to 8 charts and just be watching movement on those charts. And if I see something moving in a consistent way, then I'll go ahead and trade that. And I'll just so I may not come out looking to trade the NASDAQ that day, or looking to trade the 6E or the ES. I may see some nice movement in crude or in gold, and I'll just end up trading that. So the possibilities are just many. And I'm also looking at some other instruments, some new things, doing some back testing on some stuff. So okay, there we go. And we got to move down now. So our auto trail has brought us down 2 ticks. So if we do get stopped on this, we'll at least the balance of our contracts, we will get 2 ticks of profit, unless it continues to go down. So we're trying to get down here and get the rest of these contracts off. Hopefully that'll happen. Got slow, but that's okay. That's trading. Sometimes the market's moving really fast, and other times they're just kind of slow. So we just wait on the market, wait for the trade to come to us. I'm still here, guys. I'm just sitting here watching, waiting to see what's going to happen. I know I'd like to see it come down and knock those other contracts off and fill them, but whatever happens, happens, and that's trading. We never know how a trade's going to go. We anticipate based on everything that we see. We're taking a trade, and it's going to go in the direction that we anticipate it. And then if it doesn't, we're going to assess the situation, and there you go. All right, so we're off, and there's a trade this morning. It's a nice 6E trade. It's a great way to start the day. And so I'm glad you guys got a chance to see another 6E trade. It's been a good week on the 6E. And if you have any questions about the power trading system, I encourage you to get a hold of Al or David, email them, and let them give you some information so you can look further at the system and make an informed decision about how the power trading system can change your trading and make you a better trader. All right, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.